Hello guys, in this class we'll learn how to edit this image using generative fill. So I'll edit this image, whatever I want to change. Okay. So I first of all I want to change this cap. So first I should double click this layer. Then I'll click on lasso tool. Then I'll select this cap part only. Because you have to perfectly also you can select. Then red magic cap. You can give prompt according to your choice. So guys, you must learn these tools. Next option I will check. Yeah, it is pretty good. So next things I will try for, I think I'll change this eye color. Oh, I think only one time only it's selecting. So I click on, only I will click generative, see how it is giving output. I have not given any prompt here. You can see before and after. Oh my god. So I think this one is little bit I like. Next I'll select this one. I'll check like that only output the previous one is giving or different one. So it's different. So what you will do, I'm deleting these layers and let's see, I'm selecting both as the time. Oh, this subtract option is there. Okay, I see. You can select this R, okay, R button. I think now it will come blue eyes. I hope now it will come good. Yeah, it's pretty good, right? So guys, you can edit this image according to your choice, according to your imagination, and according to your visualization. Okay guys, you can use generative fill like this and comment also. Okay guys, thank you.